we're going to be doing, if my voice sounds a little hoarse, it's because I'm just getting over being sick. Like, it's literally so annoying. I've been sick for so long and I just want to not be sick anymore. Well, I'm basically not, it's just like my voice is hoarse a little bit. But anyways, today we're going to be attempting, because I never did it before. I mean, I did like the natural look, which I guess is very different. I mean, kind of different. I'm going to be doing this like a soft glam look, the one that's been going around like Twitter, you know, like everyone's hype about it. So yeah, I already did my eyebrows off camera. I mean, it is what it is. So first, I guess I'm going to do like my eyeshadow. So it's gonna be very interesting. So this is the way that I'm gonna try to do my eyeshadow. First of all, wow, look at this beauty. So do you see how her eyeshadow like goes into like the crease or whatever, like it comes out? That's what I'm gonna try to do. Basically, it's going to be very hard for me because I've never did that before. So yeah, first actually going to go off camera and do one eye and then come back and do the other eye, and you know, just see how it looks, see how it turns out, and then come back and do the other eye. I'm back. I'm pretty proud of myself. I mean, it looks super cute. Obviously I'm gonna tone it down. Like after I do my eyes, I'm gonna spray them and stuff just so like the eyeshadow sets in and just so it makes it look more like soft and stuff. So yeah, basically this is what it looks like. So now I'm gonna show you guys how I did it. I primed my eyes and now I'm gonna take, guess, the Warrior 2 palette by Juvia's Place. First, I'm gonna take Dara, and that's the pink color, and I'm just gonna stamp it in my crease. Instead of making it like a circle, you're just gonna do it straight when you get into the inner part. Like, not straight, but like you're not gonna curve it in, and that's just gonna help with that effect. And now I'm gonna take the Morphe M441 brush. I'm gonna dip into that same color and tap it out, and I'm just gonna start blending the edges lightly. Now I'm gonna take Yodit, which is like that brown color, and I'm gonna dip into it. But I'm gonna tap it off, a lot of it off. So basically you just want everything to like be not that pigmented basically. So you just want to tap it off a lot and lightly blend that into the crease. I'm gonna take Kafuru and do the same thing. So you're gonna dip into it, but you're gonna tap it off a lot just so it's not super pigmented when you put it down. Okay, and now I'm just gonna cut my crease, but basically I usually use like a lighter concealer, but instead of using a lighter concealer, I'm just gonna use like a skin tone concealer. And just like with the eyeshadow, instead of curving the cut crease, I'm just bringing it out, basically like onto my nose, straight, and then continuing with it. Now I'm just gonna like finesse with it. And now I'm just gonna mess with it and just make sure they're even, basically. I'm gonna take a flat brush and I'm going to go into Zazz, which is like the white in the palette, and just set that concealer. And now I'm just gonna go back in with the Morphe M441 and take Kafuru and just blend out the edges. Another thing that I did just to add a little bit more depth, I took this BH Cosmetics, it's just like a small blending brush, and I dipped into Kafuru and Walzana, tap it off a lot, and then just go in the crease to like bring some depth. And then I'm just gonna take the Morphe M441 brush, go into Dara, which is that pink color that we used at first, and just blend it all together. Just make sure everything is blending. Eyeliner, and we're just gonna do a very thin line, not winging it out, just to have, so the lashes have something to like, basically so the lashes can sit on top of something and it doesn't just look like the lashes are there. Now you're just gonna take any flat brush and you're gonna go back into Kafuru and Walzana and just blend out that eyeliner, just so it doesn't look like a blunt ending. Okay, so I may look a little bit crazy. It's because I took some of this Cover FX Custom Enhancement drops and I put them on my cheekbones and on my, like, so basically where I would highlight at. And now it's time to do foundation. So I'm just gonna take my Maybelline Fit Me foundation and my L'Oreal Infallible, and I'm gonna mix them together. Now I'm gonna blend it out with this Morphe brush. So I put concealer down, and now I'm just gonna take more of the foundation and just go over top. Hair. Got it. And go over top of the concealer just a little bit, just so like it doesn't look so light. This Makeup Revolution Luxury Powder, and just very lightly set my face. A big fluffy brush and just set the rest of my face. Now I'm gonna take my Juvia's Place loose highlighter in Nubia, and I'm just gonna highlight my face. Now I'm gonna take another flat brush. I'm just gonna take Yoda in the palette and go under my eye. Now I'm gonna put on my lashes and like put on some setting spray, and then come back to do the lips. And for my lips, I use this NYX Liquid Suede lipstick in Downtown Beauty, and then I put this NYX Liquid Suede lipstick in Sandstorm on top of it, and that's just how I got like this nude type look. Okay, so basically this is the finished look. I really like it. I don't know if this classifies as soft glam, I really don't know, but basically this is my interpretation of the soft glam look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I have really cool, interesting things coming up, so yeah, if you want to see those and you're excited to see those and you like this video, give it a thumbs up, like I said, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.